Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about what is hash table and we're going to implement the hash table in Golang. Okay, so first and foremost, let's understand what is hash table. Hash table is actually a key value pair data structure for with the advantage of the constant time complexity in retrieving their in retrieving their data. Okay, so what is mean by key value pair data structure? So key value pair data structure is mean by you will have a you will have a key, a unique key, which map to the address of your value. For example, key of like ABC, and then you have a value of like one, two, three, something like this. So this uh what is what is mean by key value pair. So every time, right, you have the key, you're able to access the data in a constant time manner. Okay, this is what is called a key value pair data structure. Okay, next we're going to talk about the concept of the hash table. Okay, the first thing, hash table, it has the hash function. Just now we mentioned there's a key of it. This key, right, is actually a unique key. It can be unique. It has to be unique. In okay, before we talk about the the key, right, we talk about the hash function. The hash function, right, is going to have it's going to this hash function is going to have a algorithm to process your key into a value. This value, right, is don't have it don't it this value is not able to get back its original value. So which mean the value lost. The value is lost after the hashing. Okay, so in a good hash function, right, it's going to have less collision. It's going to be has less collision, but it has it's almost unavoidable to have a collision. Okay, so this is roughly what is the hash function used to. So this hash function, right, is going to process your key into a value. Uh, okay. The other thing is the concept. Okay, so sorry. So the another thing is the bucket. So what is the bucket? Actually, the bucket, right, is just a place to store your data. It's a place to store your data. So for this case, right, you have the one, two, three. So this is considered your bucket. It can is considered a bucket. Okay, this bucket is doesn't mean to have to be like this integer, but it also can be another data structure. It's something can be like a linked list example. Okay, yeah, maybe can have another data structure, something like queue or whatever you can think of. Okay, another thing is like the collision. The collisions now we talking about this is basically mean that your hash function produce the same value. Your hash function produce the same value in in which mean that so you have the same key. For example, uh, I need to insert the key of one two three to have the value of ABC. Okay, so the so I hash this key, I hash it, and it become the the XYZ. So okay, and then after that I need to insert another key value pair. So in this case is 456, and then the value will be uh, DEF. Okay, later I hash this key. It became also the XYZ. Do you see that? So both of these have collision. So the key is collision. So in this case, right? How does we solve this? If since there is collision, if we I mean like how does we process it? Does we throw it away? Of course not, right? If you throw it away, then the data will be lost. So in this case, right, to solve this problem, right, we have a chaining method to solve the problem. In this case, right, we have a hash table, and then we have a key. We have the same key of XYZ because they have a collision happen. Okay, then the value, right, we have a bucket. Okay, in this case, we have a bucket of it. Let's point out. What we do is we have data. We have a bucket. This is a core bucket, right? This bucket have using a we have a chain mechanism to chain all the key value pair together. So for example, for this case, right, we have 1, 2, 3. So this is the data, and then the ABC data. 1, 2, 3 is the key. ABC is the data, and then we chain it another. We chain. Then we have another chain is the 456, and then the DEF. So this is what we call chaining. Okay. Okay. So this will be the concept of the hashing. For later part, I will demo to you guys on how to we're going to create a